Hello. What's up? So in Euro USD, I'm actually waiting for the prices to reach within this area before continuing to look for longs and enter longs. I have an intention कि prices at least ये liquidity level तक तो आएगी और in fact और भी ऊपर जाएगी because we are following our order flow very neat, very clean. Gold में in the morning like we got some massive move in the upward direction. Right now we can't really do anything. As like if you remember, I've said this and this is liquidity level and that is supposed to be taken out. We'll be continuing to look for longs and we will be expecting that high to be taken out. Alright folks, कितने लोग देख रहे हैं? You can. How many people are there? Okay, 17. Perfect. So now our intention is in gold. We are seeing these highs to be taken out because this is definitely a liquidity level that we are expecting to go. Let's see how further price spells in smaller time frame. I would really love to see prices retracing till this range high because I feel यहाँ तक तो कम से कम prices आए, like it will definitely retrace. This would be a great area. If prices happens to reach within this area, we would definitely jump in longs. But उससे पहले भी अगर यहाँ पे हमें intention मिलता है, then also we can consider entering in longs. In Euro USD, I'm seeing these highs getting taken out. Firstly, this and a mitigation of this range. Then I'm not sure if price will continue to push down lower or price will continue to push up higher. That is still a question. But at immediate, this high looks like it has to go because in 1H we are perfectly following a nice neat order flow. High rise, high lows. This is the nicest area. Price retrace down lower. We started following 15 minutes bullish order flow. You can see we are continuing to follow high rise and high lows. Now I would love to see prices retracing to this or maybe something within this inefficiency once we start prices building order flow and start forming high rise and high lows formations. We'll mostly look for longs and then we would eventually expect price to fill this inefficiency. This inefficiency would be my first target. अगर यहाँ पे आती है तो we can actually target 1:2 risk reward 1:3 depending on how prices move from here. But मेरा तो intention है कि यहाँ से अपन को trade मिलेगा 1:3 के आसपास मिल सकता है. Let's see जिस तरह की prices में development होंगी उस तरह we can plan something out of it. Right now we need to wait. Having patience is the thing. So uh yeah, we can wait. So have patience, patience. Wow. It's retracing. It's retracing to the discounted area as we discussed. Let's see if it happens to reach within this. Today, like, chances are price can be slow. So let's wait. Hold maybe retracement important before jumping in longs. Right now it's looking like there is a lack in momentum. There's a fair chance we might see prices retracing to the discounted area. Most probably यहाँ कहीं आता है, यहाँ या फिर उसके नीचे भी बढ़िया है, बट डेफिनेटली शॉर्ट्स नहीं करने हैं बिकॉज भाई बहुत फट्टे बुलिश है. मेक जीरो सेंस फॉर यू टू एंटर इन शॉर्ट्स. सी रिट्रेसमेंट आएगा, वी आर लाइक क्वाइट श्योर मे बी यहीं से आ जाए. Maybe this can be the high and price can retrace and push down low. But should we bet on retracement? Just ask yourself. Like, it's holding quite bullish. Why the fuck I would just look for shots, right? Instead, I will wait for price to just fuck around, go slow down low, and then eventually when I start seeing conviction and prices holding bullish, that's when I will enter. It was great, bro. I was at my brother's place. Like we had a wedding. Basically, मेरा जो neighbor था उसकी शादी थी. So it was fun. We have tested the range high right now. We have tested the range high right now. Let's see how it moves. I would really love to see this area tries to reach within that area. वैसे ही US 100 has like, it's forming like really nice aggressive low. So what I was saying is overall the structure is bullish. We have right now taken out the internal range liquidity, and after taking out the internal range liquidity, which is like sweeping this low, and now we are reacting off this demand. I'm feeling that conviction that there is fair chance we might see now prices pushing up higher. We have all of this as liquidity. So my plan for today would be, if prices happens to reach within this demand area, something within this or maybe something within this, I would really love to see prices going up higher, taking out these highs, and everything will be taken out then, like these liquidity levels and this. So let's see. Yeah, it's reacting, but let's wait. देखो यहाँ पे this is sort of low probability one, because ये बस रेंज से रिएक्ट कर रहा है. बट जब प्राइजेस बहुत ज़्यादा मोमेंटम में होते हैं तो भाग सकता है. तो अभी मैं ये रिजेक्शन के बेसिस पे नहीं एंट्री लूँगा. आई विल लव टू सी इट पुशिंग अप हाई लाइक दिस on order flow, and then I will be entering in longs. In between it would be just like chasing, and I don't really want that. अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए तो नहीं. एग्जैक्टली, सी दैट इज़ व्हाट आई सेड. रिजेक्शन के बेसिस पे यहाँ पे एंट्री लेना मूर्खता होगी. lining. Gold, I'm bullish only, but I would love to see a retracement. It's in a range right now. I can clearly see a lack or loss in a momentum. या तो ये हो सकता है कि प्राइजेस यहाँ तक ना आए और प्राइजेस अगर एक एग्रेसिव स्वीप भी दे देता है मे बी यहाँ कहीं, और फिर ऑर्डर फ्लो बनने लग जाती है, लाइक मे बी 5-15 सेकेंड्स, 1 मिनट में मुश्किल है वो ऐसे ही भाग जाएगा, लेकिन 15 सेकेंड्स में कुछ देखने मिलता है तो आई वुड स्टिल कंसिडर। लेकिन मैं यहाँ से तो बिल्कुल लॉन्ग्स नहीं लूंगा, देर इज लॉस इन मोमेंटम। इट इज़ कंसोलिडेटिंग, एक स्वीप आए तो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट। ऐसे ही ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ इसमें लॉन्ग लेने के लिए। Damn, we got this nice push from the range. It's just that we want to be extra sure. That's the reason we haven't entered here. But let's see. Let's wait for some more discounted area. So जा तो ये सही रहा है man. By the way, how was your weekend? What all you did? कैसा रहा आपका weekend? Please. First time here, do you share PEC idea? Bro, I don't trade Indian markets. I majorly trade gold, Euro USD, and US indices. So these are the major assets I trade in. So we don't really do CEP. But if you are a like option trader in US markets, we can do that because we trade Tesla, we trade US 100, which is your Nasdaq, NDX. We trade, or we can potentially trade SPY, SPX, basically your S&P 500, and a few stocks like AMD, Nvidia, and Tesla mostly. By the way, if you are new, definitely consider subscribing. And for more conviction on how we trade, you can definitely go through our previous stream for conviction and just to see how I trade. Okay. How was your weekend, भाई? मेरा तो धमाकेदार था भाई, मजे आ गए। शादी थी ना यार, दोस्ती, it was fun. Squad once. Trading Indian markets. If you stay in New York, you can trade US indices and US equity as well, right? That's great. Like definitely, like evening maybe also we trade live, so you can show up there and trade live with us on daily basis. So, mate, definitely looking forward to see you, Rahul, very often. Sweep before a continuation is expected. If there's no sweep, we are not looking for a continuation trade. If we see what are the potential areas from where price can retrace, let's actually try to navigate that and see what can be द एरिया जहाँ से हमें फॉल देखने मिल सकता है. अभी हमने ये वाला तो निकाल लिया. अब यहाँ पे जो अवेलेबल, भाई यहाँ पे कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. मतलब कुछ नहीं है भाई, ये तो ब्रेक करना ही है इसे. ठीक है. बस यही है, हम लिक्विडिटी लेवल मार्क कर सकते हैं और लिक्विडिटी हंट करके बाद वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ फेयर चांस कि वहाँ से रिट्रेसमेंट है. मतलब ये ऊपर वाली लिक्विडिटी के बाद एक अच्छी खासी रिट्रेसमेंट आए. अभी फ़िलहाल मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहूँगा कोई भी एग्जीक्यूशन करने के लिए. तो मेरे हिसाब से वी वुड एक्चुअली वेट. अगर हम प्रीमियम और डिस्काउंट भी देखें ना यहाँ से, तो अपना स्विंग लो यहाँ पे है एंड पोटेंशियल स्विंग हाई हम सोच रहे हैं यहाँ पे कहीं हो सकता है. तो उस हिसाब से एक हम रेंज अगर आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहे तो द करंट एरिया विच इज़ दिस लुक्स लाइक चुमेश्वरी, looks far better, far more better for us to look longs from. So I would definitely love to see prices pushing down low within those areas and then enter longs. I guess I missed this. Yeah, I was not aware that something like this happened. I was too focused on writing that message, and we end up missing this trade. Let's see what next. Uh, Fish. Hi. पैसे बनते तो अभी भी रूम है इसको काफी ऊपर जाने का, but it moved as we discussed, but failed to monetize, which is fine. थोड़ा और नीचे आता तो यहाँ सही था, रेंज हाई से रिजेक्शन लेके चला गया, और जैसे ऑर्डर फ्लो बोला था वैसे इट बिल्ड फ्रॉम हियर. दिस वाज अ पोटेंशियल ट्रेड, लाइक अ गुड वन. We are currently at a supply. Let's wait and let's see how it goes. गोल्ड में अभी एंट्री नहीं लेनी है, शांति बनाए रखो, ठीक है. नो एंट्रीज. बस एक था यूरो में ले सकते थे बट वो नहीं लिया, तो अब चला गया तो चला गया. Can't do anything in this. Only thing that you can do is wait patiently for markets to give you some confirmation. क्या कर रहा है भाई? चिल्ली कर रहा है ना? हम्म। ये वापस डिमांड से तो बाउंस हुआ, बट it's way too high up in the premium to enter. So I don't think we will get anything. Like only random scalps and low probability trade we can easily get, but मैं नहीं चाह रहा अभी वो हम ले, तो इसलिए मैंने ये longs भी avoid किए. The only way we could have entered in longs is keeping this as a stop loss, which is like 15 pips, still a decent one, but the risk reward, the available target was 1:1.5, और शायद अब तक अपन ट्रेल भी कर लेते स्टॉप लॉस. 1:2 के आसपास मिल सकता था, बट काफ़ी बड़ा स्टॉप लॉस था टारगेट के हिसाब से. 1:2. Let's see how it builds next. We still have chance to monetize it depending on how further prices builds up. तो देखते हैं. This is the start of the week. I would definitely request you to please wait and not just try to enter in FOMO. If you remember, okay, हमने यहाँ पे जर्मन इंडेक्स में यहाँ पे शॉर्ट बताया था कि भाई यहाँ से शॉर्ट होगा. इनफैक्ट यहाँ से भी शॉर्ट होगा. ये लो जाएगा, ठीक है. तो मेरा सोचना ये था कि और थोड़ी प्राइसेस अगर ऊपर आती है और इसे स्वीप करती है तो मैं रिस्क एंट्री ले लूँ डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ पे ये जो जिस तरह का हाई बना है, इट्स नॉट रियली दैट ग्रेट, बट द करंट एरिया फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज रिएक्टिंग, it's actually good. So if prices happens to form a bearish order flow from here, like if it continue to form lower highs, low lows formation from here, would actually love to see prices eventually taking out these lows, because we do have very clear liquidity levels down there. I mean down here, all of these levels are definitely liquidity levels. Okay, so I'm expecting a bearish move, because we clearly see that there is a lack in momentum, there is a loss in momentum, it has to go down. I would love to see, अगर यहाँ पे आता है मैं भाई डायरेक्ट रिस्क एंट्री ले लूंगा यहाँ पे. Like once it takes out this guy risking 1%, it's fine. It would be a great trade, बिकॉज उसके ऊपर काफ़ी लिक्विडिटी है. उसके ऊपर जाएगा तो किस्सा खत्म, फिर तो ऑल टाइम हाई जाएगा. लेकिन अगर यहाँ से होल्ड करेगा तो ये लो अपने पास टारगेट है, जो कि अपन टारगेट नहीं करेंगे, अपन तो यही करेंगे. बट इट्स क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि हमें यहाँ से बेरिश देखने मिले. बट यहाँ से वरना इफ इट जस्ट रीच हायर एंड शिफ्ट इट्स ऑर्डर फ्लो फ्रॉम देयर, वुड लव टू सी शॉट्स. दैट इज वॉट द प्लान लुक्स लाइक. सो लेट्स सी. यूरो में हम देखेंगे. सो यूरो काफ़ी बुलिश है. बुलिश है. यूरो चल दिया भाई, यूरो चल दिया, चल दिया. वैसे I actually executed like euro longs in futures. मतलब मैंने बहुत like सेशन के पहले एग्जीक्यूट किया था वो लॉन्ग्स. आई विल जस्ट शो दैट टू यू राइट नाउ ऑन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. आई जस्ट एग्जीक्यूटेड, जस्ट नहीं मतलब these are my euro longs. और मेरा टीपी काफ़ी ऊपर है. वैसे मैंने एंट्री यहाँ ली थी, मतलब ये जब कैंडल प्रिंट हो रही थी ना तब ली थी, लेकिन मेरी एंट्री एग्जीक्यूट यहाँ पे हुई. So I wanted to enter here and keep this as stop loss. तो मेरी एंट्री यहाँ हुई. मेरा स्टॉप लॉस काफ़ी बड़ा है वो केस में, बट here I wanted to be extra safe with you guys, so that's the reason I have not really asked you to execute, but it's moving solid. And it was a very small position, just like I was risking one. How much was this? $180 on these longs. So yeah, let's see आगे जिस तरह की प्राइस डेवलपमेंट्स होती है उस पे है. Gold has taken out the liquidity level that we discussed, which is this area here, this black line. Now depending on how further it retrace, how further price action happens, I will be looking for longs. Beautiful trade. 10th November, yeah. Also, like, if you have any questions, please let me know so I can answer those. And if you have any doubts, I can clear that too. Because right now we don't have anything much to do, so yeah, I can talk about things. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Hmm. We have seen solid rejection from the gold, as I said, like this liquidity hunt, and after this liquidity hunt, most probably a dip down low, and then this 4,160 level is supposed to go. What? आएगा तो ले लेंगे, ठीक है। I was up 25 ticks, now I'm up. I was up 32 ticks, now I'm up only 25. 7 ticks gone. One fourth of the profit gone. पेशेंस 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 भाई, ये यूट्यूब पे है ना, अब गाने नहीं बजा सकते यार, वरना कॉपीराइट फ्री तो बजा ही सकते हैं। बट आई थिंक we can do it. Media source. Uh, oh no. Screen capture. देखना पड़ेगा अब कैसे I can play music. How to play YouTube music on YouTube live stream on OBS. Gaming.
Do you want to play copyrighted music for your multi-stream, but you don't want to get in trouble? I'm going to go to a new scene, so I got gameplay scene. I'm going to put up the game. So I'm going to, yes, it's a lot easier. Because all you have to do is add new source, and you add new game capture, hit OK, and then right now you can see that it says capture audio beta, which will automatically add a new audio mixer track down here, and it'll automatically separate. Whereas in Streamlabs, you're not going to have this option, so you just add a normal game capture.
मेरे इसमें तो गेम कैप्चर नहीं हुई। retracing, boys, from the supply area. We do have definitely a big room to the upward direction, but अब यहाँ से ये retrace कर रहा है, मेरे को लग रहा है यहाँ तक आएगा, और यहाँ तक आएगा तो चांसेस बनते हैं अपन लॉन्ग लेंगे. अभी फिलहाल ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हम लेंगे ही लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे. अभी जिस तरह से प्राइजेस बिल्ड होगी उस तरह. not. So depending on how prices builds up, we will plan to execute longs. I really like this area and this area. Both of these looks really amazing and good to me. Let's just wait. This I'm not interested to touch gold at all, depending on how it's moving at the moment. I will instead wait for something more clearer rather than entering just random shitty trade.
And then you have to have these separate sources back to capture that audio. So first off, you capture any close to the application. It doesn't give you what we're looking for, like it does in this case. Then we're going to go to capture specific window. We're going to find the game that we want to play, which is called Friends. Give it a second to pop up. Now you can see that we have our capture. And then if we click on capture audio beta, it's going to add that new game capture audio. And I recommend using like Spotify's desktop software or YouTube's desktop software, whatever. It makes capturing the audio a lot easier. But me being lazy myself, like download things. Traditionally, I play music through like a Google Chrome tab. So what I will show you is how to do that, but I'll also talk about the downside. Let me open up the Google Chrome tab of what I want to play. So this is just the normal, basically good music that doesn't suck and you can play streams. So if you want, I'll leave this in the description down below as well. It's awesome. I just like it. So let's just start playing some music through here. If I log in. All right, now that we're logged in, now I'm going to play some music so that we can hear stuff. All right, so we got our music playing. So now let's go back into OBS. Now I'm going to hit add a new source, application audio capture. This is the lazy man's way to do it. I'm a lazy man, so it just works. So essentially, we have separated our desktop audio into multiple audio sources, so that way we. This is going to be what audio is going to be sent to you. How to add background music to OBS for live streaming. Under the main scene where you need your music to be played, you want to go to sources, click the plus sign, click media source, and then you want to name it background music. Click OK, check, go to browse, find the music that you want to be playing, click open, click OK, and right now the music is here in OBS. So what you need to do, by the way, you can stop it, you can pause it, you can play, in order for you to be able to how to add background music to OBS for live stream. Because right now, all the stream they can hear it, but you need to also run music here, go under audio, run it. Thank you, Epidemic Sound, for sponsoring this. When we create an actual scene like music, this is going to allow us to add that scene over to everything for 15 hours. Drag this on loop. Again, if you have 3-4 hours of music and you're getting a stream for 1 hour, then you're totally fine, right? But because I only have 7 minutes,
ये कुछ नहीं बता रहा यार, कुछ सही करना पड़ेगा. चैट जीपीटी, यस. So I'm a trader who trade lives on YouTube, and I want to put a background copyright free music on my streams using OBS. What is the way how I can do it? just using browser. And a copyright free music, YouTube album. Open a browser, Chrome, start playing your choosing music, volume at around 30 to 40% so it doesn't overpower your mic. Capture, oh, capture browser's audio. Okay. Nice. I guess you can bring it. And you'll change the wave call. Can you voice? I guess I should not mess this. Remove it. The stream is getting affected because of it. My still life. I guess I'm stuck. Yeah, it messed up. Hello, hello. Okay, I guess the stream is back now. Yeah, I guess the stream is back now. Okay, perfect. चलो सही है It is back now, right? हाँ जी. I guess I need to stop messing around. Okay, so it is about to test our demand area. Let's see how further prices move, and then we'll plan things accordingly. Okay. नहीं, it still don't really capture. बढ़िया, ठीक है. Anyways, नहीं होंगी ऑडियो कैप्चर भाई, ये बाद में देखेंगे. Because I am using a different PC to stream. I don't know, MacBook don't really take that amount of load. बोलता है, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा भाई. Crazy. M2 anyway, but फिर भी ideally it should have handled. सही जोन से रिट्रेसमेंट आया है, ठीक है. अपन को अभी अपना चॉइस है कि थोड़ा और नीचे आएगा तो लॉन्ग्स लेंगे. अभी फिलहाल ये एरिया से अवॉइड करेंगे, ठीक है. we'll just wait we'll just wait for additional confirmation. Most probably from this area I would like to take a risk entry, but above that I would like to wait. We are seeing nice retracements now. Let's, like, this is quite aggressive. I'm not really interested. This I'm interested in. Let's wait. Even like from here also, if it shows conviction, I would not really hesitate to take any new positions. Gold, I'm not really willing to execute any. This is messy. It's low. It's not really looking like it's gonna hold. So let's just wait. वेट करेंगे, वेट। चलो ट्रेड करके चूजा पानी करेंगे भाई। यहाँ पे आता है लॉन्ग स्पीड लेंगे अपन। दिल के करीब मुझको, ओ सनम, सनम से सनम के दिल के लाज। ओ नाइस भाई। MSTR करके एक US स्टॉक है, दिस वर्क्स इन कोरिलेशन विद योर BTC. I was dead sure, like the firm that I'm working with, I was dead sure that, when prices were here, I said them, price will go till this, and most probably from this area again, you will see a drop, and it's gonna liquidate this low. I was dead sure about this. Like, no, BTC तो फिर गिर ही जाएगा ये वो. See price है here now. And I got a text from them. ओ कैसे पता था तुझे ये होने वाला है? They were quite surprised. Now from this area, I think MSTR will fly, and when it will fly, another rally would be seen. गोल्ड में अलर्ट आया है। ओहो, गोल्ड हम जिस तरह बोला उस तरह गिर रहा है। हमने जिस तरह हमने जिस तरह बोला था उस तरह रिएक्ट कर रहा है। लेट्स सी। और थोड़ा इसको नीचे आने का वेट करेंगे, इसके नीचे आने का वेट करेंगे। क्या हिंदी है मेरी, वाह। हम्म। Uh, Initial reaction looks good from the area, which is this one, this area, but we want actually the structure levels to be taken out. I would love to see this high getting taken out before me even plan to enter longs at this area, because I'll tell you a reason. Like here we do have equally drop, like nicely drop equal lows, and I don't really want to risk my money on this trade, especially in the Monday London session, not even the New York session. Not enough volume to bet on this, so I would instead like to wait and see how further price move. Oh, gold sweep liquidity. Okay, gold sweep liquidity. अभी लेना है कि नहीं ये नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन भाई यहाँ से ये जाएगा ऊपर. मतलब अगर तुम्हें लेनी है रिस्क, मैं नहीं ले रहा, या ले लूं. What do you think of this? See, I honestly think this can fly and this can take out this. From the current trading price, almost 100 pips, it's quite easy for gold to achieve. Okay, 100 pips, very easy. But भाई मैंने जो बोला वैसा ही हुआ हुआ है. लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुआ जैसे मैंने बोला, फिर सेलिंग आया, सेलिंग के बाद बाइंग आ रहा है, पर घुसे नहीं अपन. मैं बस सोच रहा हूँ घुसे कि नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट रियली वेरी मच इनटू द डिस्काउंटेड एरिया, बट लुक्स लाइक इट कैन होल्ड एंड इट कैन वर्क. और अपना टारगेट ऐसा कुछ बहुत क्रेजी सा नहीं है, बस 100 पिप्स है. सो 100 पिप्स इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट अचीवेबल इन दिस इफ वी जस्ट गेट. If we see 100 pips के हिसाब से, so it's quite possible that it can hit our area. I would not really jump, but let's just see this as a observation trade. We can name it that. हाँ भाई, क्योंकि देखो मतलब मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ ये ट्रेड बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वे टू अप इन द प्रीमियम फर्स्टली. दूसरा बात यार, इसने ये वाली इनएफिशिएंसी टेस्ट करी है ये रेन से. और गोल्ड का नेचर है भाई, जब वो भागता है बस भागते जाता है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा रिट्रेसमेंट शायद वो ना करे, डिस्काउंट तक तो शायद ना करे, बिकॉज जब भागता है तो बस भागते जाता है. व्हाट इफ it just doing something like this. So in that case here also it has like swept some liquidity below this low and then pushed. So might like very fair chance this is that sweep and push up. And but I'm not really willing to risk my money in this trade, especially it's the first trade for the week. So definitely no. Euro has swept liquidity. Instead we would see if we can get something in euro, getting rid of all the unnecessary drawings so far. Now let's plan. This is the inefficient area, the two black lines that I have marked. Something within this, if I start seeing rejections and if I start seeing conviction towards buying, if not confirmed, if we start seeing conviction towards buying, it's a good direction wise. It does make sense. But 4H structure, daily structure, immediate structure, everything bearish, higher time frame, only 15 minutes immediate structure holding bullish. So this could be a counter trend longs, and these are the counter trend longs that we are executing. If you remember, I said like we do have this inefficient. Was it this? No. Yeah, it was this, I believe. The inefficiency got filled. We got liquidity hunt. 15 minutes order flow and structure still holding bullish. So that way it's logical that we can continue to look for longs. And honestly, like this would be a logical loss. And as this is not a very solid pro trend move, so I might risk comparatively chotu on this one. But if I start seeing 1 minute order flow building up, I'm not hesitant to enter longs because I do have conviction and this is a logical one. It's not really like अरे ये तो पूरा गलत ट्रेड है, नहीं. तो हम उस हिसाब से एंट्री लेंगे, बट ऑर्डर फ्लो बिल्ड होने के बाद ऐसे ही रैंडमली नहीं घुसेंगे. और उसके बाद में ओवरऑल अगर हम देखें तो वी आर क्वाइट बेरिश. ओवरऑल देखेंगे हमने यहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी हंट करी है. मतलब तुम देख पा रहे हो ये प्राइसेस काफ़ी शिटी से है ये रेंज के अंदर, फिर भी इसमें हमें काफ़ी प्यारे प्यारे ट्रेड्स मिले हैं. बट यहाँ पे भी वो फेल कर दिया क्लोज होने का, यहाँ पे भी फेल कर दिया, तो अभी एक शिटी रेंज में है अपन. बट आई थिंक द लोज आर टारगेटेड. The lows are targeted is what I think, because it has tried multiple times to go up higher, but every time it has failed. So I don't really see a very solid conviction that this low will hold. Only thing, यहाँ से वापस एक रिएक्शन आ सकता है, बट अभी कंटिन्यूएशन बेरिश के लिए मैं बेट करूंगा. लेकिन उससे पहले एक थोड़ा सा बुलिश मूव तो एक्सपेक्टेड है, तो बुलिश मूव पे हम स्मॉल रिस्क लेंगे और बेरिश मूव के लिए हम डिसेंट से रिस्क लेंगे, डिपेंडिंग ऑन स्ट्रक्चरल शिफ्ट. अगेन कंफर्मेशन के साथ हम एंट्री लेंगे. वी आर नॉट वेरिड अबाउट हाउ वी विल एंटर, वी विल सी दैट इन द लेटर पार्ट. बट राइट नाउ, depending on how smaller time frame builds, the immediate data that we have is prices acting or being bullish from here. So we will be just betting on that direction and we'll be planning longs in that direction, or we'll be planning trades in that direction. So let's see how it goes. Dave, I completely missed your message. I took one entry in EU. That entry was outdated. That entry. It's still above my entry level. I'm thinking of breaking even, or we'll see. Still my position is running. Uh, oh, it's at break even. I just checked. It's at break even right now. I am holding. I'm holding. I've just like $180. Till that. In fact, like if it comes to the discounted area, I will try to add more with conviction. After we start seeing structural shift and information coming in, I would in fact like plan to enter in longs. That is a plan. I'm more convinced towards entering in long. Very nice. Liquidity hunt के बाद it's holding quite well. But well. I'm not interested in that. Liquidity hunt के बाद now I would love to see this high getting taken out for me to actually be convinced कि अब यहाँ से होल्ड करेगा, और अगर वो होल्ड करता है तो फिर वहाँ से मैं लॉन्ग्स लूँगा। अभी फिलहाल के लिए मैं करूँगा। रैंडमली नहीं घुसेंगे भाई, वेट करेंगे फिर अपन घुसेंगे। यूरो में दिस एरिया लुक्स सॉलिड, लेट्स जस्ट वेट। गोल्ड में एज आई सेड लाइक पॉसिबल यहाँ से होल्ड करे, बट अपन घुसे नहीं है यहाँ से। जा सकता है यहाँ से भी ऊपर 100 पर, easy peasy, but it's way too up in the premium and not the great trade to execute as the first trade for the day. So that's the reason holding myself back and not really thinking of executing in that trade. बाकी काम तो कर ही सकता है ये ट्रेड. Gold has moved as we discussed. Discussed. Nice sweep, and so a nice move. Now it has more room to move. Nice area of liquidation, and we are not in, but it's fine. Observation. It worked. It worked. Chumeshwari. भाई गोल्ड मस्त चीज है भाई. 40 पिप इससे. See, the best place where we could have executed was with 25 pip stop loss. Already 1 has to 2, 1 has to 3 possible. In fact, the way it's like इसने विग बनाई है भैंडी. ये भाई जाएगा फटेगा. ये भाई फटेगा. फट रहा है. यूरो का अपन वेट कर रहे हैं, यूरो काफी स्लो है, लेट्स जस्ट सी। भाई ये जब निकल जाएगा ना ये हाई, अपन लेंगे लॉन्ग्स, ठीक है। अ, अभी फिलहाल आकाश नहीं देव, और यार यूरो में चांस बन सकता है, इजिली आई एम हैंगिंग अराउंड। बस ये ना होना कि हम नहीं, और फिर अभी इसने लिक्विडिटी हंट करी है, वी हैव अ वेरी क्लियर टारगेट, सो इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड, like the probability of it hitting the target is very high, so that's the reason I was thinking of hanging around for more time. बस ये है कि इससे अगर रिजेक्शन देता है और यहाँ से अगर वापस नीचे गिरने लग जाता है तो विल एंड द मीटिंग। अगर यहाँ से थोड़ा रिट्रेस करके और यहाँ से ब्रेक कर देता है तभी अपन लोग घुसेंगे लॉन्ग्स, तो फिर घुस के क्लोज कर देंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट, विल सी। अभी फिलहाल आई एम स्केप्टिकल, ये देगा कि नहीं है एंट्री, तो देखते हैं जिस तरह का प्राइस एक्शन होता है उस तरह, विल सी। The gold has moved nicely, no? TP1, like जब मैंने बोला था वहां से, ये something it has moved like 85, 87 pips. Very solid. God. यूरोप रिएक्शन ये एरिया में आ गया है, जस्ट वेट। गोल्ड में ओवर ट्रेडिंग का कितना परसेंट आपने लूज किया भाई? ये reaction looks really solid and amazing. Looks like it's gonna hold. Let's wait. 10%. Take it slow this week. It's a like almost start of the month, so it's fine. We'll try to close definitely positive, but thereafter don't execute. There are few things. If you fix those, trading would be sorted. Limiting the number of trades, and once you hit your maximum loss that you can take for the day, close. I trade in futures. I trade in one floor trading prop firm. How to explain it? Basically, real account or one real account or one futures account, which is prop trading firms available online like Tradeify, Apex, and all those. And broker, I'm using two brokers, Funded Next. Oh, sorry, I'm using two, not Funded Next. Fusion Markets and Funded Next की ads काफी आ रही है broker की, so वो निकल गया. I'm using another one is Veltex. Veltex में I just give me a minute. How me? हाँ हाँ तो मैं कर तो दूँ. How did you get? I just approached, bro. I just approached and I met with the group leader. We had a talk. I showed my record. I showed what I did, and they just gave me money. 100 fucking thousand bitches of real capital. For the terminal, ये नहीं समझ पाया मैं. And I use Valtex as well as I use Fusion Markets. Yeah. It's 50-50 till the time I deposit some initial amount. I have surpassed that, so now it's 80-20. But it's real money. It's not prop. Even I'm down 10-20% still, I can make it back. Account will not go anywhere. हेलो. हाँ बोल. हाँ मी तुला 12 बोललं ना, तो 12 पण चांगला आहे. हाँ ठीक आहे ना, मग काय ते एवढा काही डिफरन्स नाही आहे, ते सेमच तर दिसतंय. हाँ मग आता ते बघा तुमच्या हिशोबाने. ॲक्च्युली डार्क घेतला तर चांगला आहे ना. तू कुठे आहे आता? अच्छा. हां ठीक आहे. मग तुम्ही फोन करून सांगितलेलं का त्याला? चालेल. हा 4 पण चांगलं आहे, एवढं काय नाही. नाही नाही 4 असू त्याचं, एवढं काही नाही का, काय फरक पडतो. हां चल बाय, मी कामात आहे, नंतर करतो. हां बोल. हां करतो नंतर, चल बाय. जो सप्लाई हमने बात करी थी यूरो में, यूरो इज करंटली रिएक्टिंग ऑफ दैट सप्लाई एरिया, सो वी हैव नथिंग टू डू. अभी अगर यहाँ आता है तो मैं आपको ग्रुप पे अपडेट कर दूंगा, बट आई एम कॉलिंग इट टुडे. इज दैट फाइन विद यू ऑल? If you have anything, you can ask, or else we'll call it a day and we will see each other in the evening. Okay? No trades executed. Safe. We'll catch up in the evening. Okay? Meanwhile, don't execute. Don't force yourself to execute any trades. And I'll be seeing you all in the evening at around 6. We'll be trading Nasdaq, Tesla, Euro USD, and gold. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead. See you all. Bye bye.